Okay, be careful. It's going to crack even more. I swear.
No.
Look at this. Look how much it's been cracking. Like, you guys not see that? Wait. This is really going to explode. I swear. I just gotta pull one more. No, you're not. Yes, I did. I'm going to right now.
You have to cut it out for me because I'm really
I will. Well, it looks
Should we pick this much, Brody?
definitely so.
Actually, can you do it? I can't do it. It's like in my hands are not
Wait.
into doing it right now.
So just hurry up. Hurry up.
Brody, do it.
1 second. Oh, you just. Bro, why is it open?
Okay, let me. Oh gosh.
Hurry up. I just got moving.
Brody, look it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, back up! Wait.
It's not going to even explode yet. It's just this guy's shocking. It's gonna explode. Oh,
What?
I think I.
Hold on, ready?
It's leaking so much. It's in the carbon now. It's leaking in the carbon now. I swear. Hold up. It's going to explode. I need to move that. Look it. It was leaking out the carpet.
It actually is.
It was.
My parents might actually kill us, guys. I'm not even lying. Oh, but well, I mean, we can wash it though.
Yeah, we could. Maybe with a hose.
Well, not hose it, like put it like in the dryer. I don't know, man. Oh, we actually gotta be careful though because Brody, you actually might want to back up.
It's cracking so much. Ow. Whoa. Well, I was.
Look how stretchy it is.
No. What's gonna be so stretchy? Shit. I just gotta hurry up. I am not letting the bottom collapse.
Guys,
Because I cannot let that happen,
guys,
obviously.
guys, this thing is going to explode today. Do not worry, guys.
Don't worry, guys. I am safe. Because we have safety glasses and we are protected. No need to worry. We are safe.
Don't worry though, guys.
Yeah.
If it doesn't explode, then I guess it'll be fine.
Look, how is this ready?
If it explodes, I might have a watermelon dream that it exploded everywhere.
It could have. No, let me just kill away all the water.
Bro, why would you do that?
No?
Hold on. Put some back. Because you're not gonna want to buy more rubber bands.
Well, it'll be fine.
Okay, let me put like a orange.
Why is it cracking so much, bro?
But can I put this?
Oh!
What?
Dude? Oh, dude, you have to work.
What?
What was them are cracking?
Oh my god! Hold on, turn to the side. Guys, you guys don't see that, right? Actually, use them actually.
Wait.
It's exploding more.
Oh, it's cracking! It just almost got him. Oh my god!
Nice.
You okay?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Like, it blew up.
They were on the chair.
Hi, Brody, are you happy?
Oh my god!
Let's eat it.
Look it!
Are you guys alright?
Oh my god!
Did it hit you guys?
No.
Wow. Are you happy now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll get you guys a bag for it.
Oh my god. Hold on.
I'll grab
Are
it.
you happy now? Are you happy now? I'll just play with you.
Look how many
Here's the
rubber
chair.
bands we put on here.
Wow, that's how it looks after it. Jesus. I never seen this before.
Oh, don't put on the back.
It's super dangerous, guys.
Whoa. I didn't know this was actually gonna explode.